This is a video presentation by EDRASE, the Educational Activity Society in Greece, under the auspices of the European project Science CAFÉ for Adults. The title of the first Science CAFÉ is Vaccines and COVID-19. COVID-19 is a global problem that started in 2020, and so far all the efforts have been in producing drugs and also vaccines for prevention. Two types of vaccines exist: the ones that carry mRNA delivered by nanoparticles and those that use an adenovirus. Both bring within the human body the mRNA that codes for the coronavirus spike protein responsible for the disease burden. Immunity high level is attained after the second dose for the 1 or 2 shot vaccinations and after a period of 14 days roughly. Antibody production is related to age and disease state for those that are chronically ill. It is now accepted that immunity lasts at least 6 months. Antibody cocktails are now in play for providing people that need them in order to fight the virus. Vaccination is important to build an immunity wall. Efficacy of the vaccines has been proven in countries with high vaccination rates, such as in Israel. In Greece, when vaccinations increased, infections were actually dropping even when protective measures were starting to be lifted. Efficacy of mRNA vaccines for preventing serious disease is nearly 90%, and it's around 70% for the adenovirus ones. Significant efficacies start even from the administration of the first dose. Mutations are responsible for the continued firing up of the pandemic. Now, mutations themselves are changes in the viral DNA that alters the activity and infection rate of the virus. Vaccination has been opposed from people in previous years and centuries, but people can pick up disease-related viruses even from animals and pass them to other humans. Samples from 6,000 Greek people collected and tested for antibodies against COVID-19. 1/3 of asymptomatic people had no idea where they got it from. The number of antibodies in a body's bloodstream generally is first increased when the body encounters a pathogen, and then the number drops as otherwise our blood would overflow with protein. There is a good indication that we may have enough memory immune cells producing antibodies and killing the virus when we have been vaccinated or have a disease. Vaccination should be our top priority right now. This has been presented by EDRASE, the Educational Activity Society in Greece. Thank you very much for attending.